Alright, so I'm going to open up this. I won a... Well, I know exactly what's in here, but I won something from the Bearded Woodworker. And I'm going to open up the box today. I'm going to throw some blue tape over my address and his address, just to, keep us, I don't know, safe. But give me 1 second, and we'll open it. Alright, put my tape away, and now, here we go. There's the, let me see my camera shot here, there we go. There's the special box that he shipped it to. Let's see how easy this is to open. I watched him close this thing. He did a video on that, and we'll see how good this goes. At least there's not a whole lot of tape. That wasn't too bad, Gary. Not too bad right there, anyways. Oh, careful with that sticker. I know there's some in here, but yeah, that one's dead. Okay, that was a good glue job there. Can we still see my, yeah. Get it better. There we go. There's the magnet he sent me. Thank you. I need to get that's metal. Spin it around. Put it on the side of my lathe right there. That'll work. That door that's closed right here, I'm going to eventually put a piece of probably plywood. I don't know how thick yet, but that shot there, and that'll be where I put my stickers. So that'll be somewhere on that door there eventually, Gary. Now, let's move around back over to the box. Ooh, that has got some weight to it. Nice. That'll work great. I've got a project that I'm working on here, which really won't need a mallet for. I don't think. I could probably use it. Put this on there to help put in some the hinges for the box I'm building for. There's a pin right here I made, and I'm building a box here. I got a video coming up for that here in a while, but look at this guy. That is awesome, Gary. Nice. I don't have a home for it yet, but it's going to be right above here somewhere, probably about right here. Can you see that? Let's go this way a little bit. Yeah, so right around here. Take you out. It'll hang just above. I'm going to put another board here, however big a piece I get, and then a couple of pegs, kind of like I did with that there for probably the sanding blocks. But just a couple of pegs, that'll be nice, and it'll hang right about there, so then anytime I'm working on my bench, it'll be right there for me. That is awesome, Gary. Thank you so much. Like I said, I got to build the home for that, but thank you very much for the sticker, the magnet. It's probably not going to live right there, but it's currently right there, so I don't lose it, because it's a good spot for it. It's the only thing metal I've got in here. But it'll live right there, right above, right about in this area here, as you see in my thumbnail for the video. But Gary, thank you very, very much, and congratulations on your 10,000. Hope you keep growing, everybody. Bearded Woodworker, go check him out. If you didn't see him on the Making It, I think it was season 3. A little sad that he left early. 3rd, 4th, 5th episode in, but it was pretty awesome. Check him out. There you go, guys. Thank you, Gary. And I'll continue watching yours. And thank you for the mallet. Installing the new home for the mallet. Squeeze out. Come on, glue. That's it. Tis in there. Clean up that glue. So I'm gonna get glue over the mallet. Okay. And it's home. There it is. Hey, your video. This is why I made that. Bench cookie dispenser. Thanks, Gary.